Gusto sana namin magpunta doon, no? Kaso bawal daw. Bawal pumasok. No? May nakabantay. Oh. Ang higpit pa naman ni bantay. Ayaw mapakiusap. Ano meron doon? Meron doon. Makainan din ba yun? Makainan siya. Tapos meron pa doon. Doon ata yung mga activities pa na iba. So, dahil Monday ngayon, kaya walang mga ganon. Pero pag Saturday at Sunday ata, no, maraming activities dito dahil, no?
Yung buhok ko
Nakakatuwa lang yung bundok nila dito. Kasi walang kahoy. Puro bato, tingnan nyo. Ayan, mga bundok niya. Here. Kahit pala itong nasa likod natin, no?
meron mas madali silang buhangan ng daan.
Oo. Kasi parang ang tibay niyan. Ang ganda lang. Hi mga friends, good morning. Welcome to Dubai. Into this vlog, we're going to have a Hatta tour. At yung meeting place natin is dito sa Borjuman Station, Exit 3. So nag-antay kami ngayon ng tawag kung nasaan na sila. Ang meeting time namin is 8:30 ngayon, 8:31 na. So nag-antay ako ng call nila kung papunta na sila. Wala kaming wifi. Sana ma-enjoy ko yung Hatta to. Maganda ba at least yung Hatta tour natin? May idea ka sa Hatta place? First time mo lang din? Siya pala yung kasama natin. Tapos parehas kami first time pumunta doon. Excited lang kami ng konti. Konti lang. Excited ka ng konti?
Anong nalisitado pa?
Hindi ko din alam. I-search ko sa internet, pero magaganda naman yung nakikita ko doon. Parang nandun ata yung dam, yung source ng water nila dito. And tumawag na yung aming, tour guide. Sa Carrefour daw kayo magkita in front of Jollibee. Ayun yung Jollibee. Ayan yung Jollibee. Welcome to Dubai. 766. Ayun na ata yung puti na yun. Yung ata yung basa. Ayan. 78354. Yun nga. Okay.
Until you hate me, and I'm gonna show you what's really crazy. You should know that.
Sorry parang guys, kasi dapat marami kami. Dalawa lang talaga kami. Party namin mga friends kasi ang expectin namin ang dami namin. Kaso sabi ng aming tour guide, nag-cancel daw yung iba. So dalawa lang kami. Sabi diba ang swerte? Joanne, hindi ka kasi sumama, dapat tatlo, special trip lang dapat. Joanne, sorry ka Joanne, dapat pahigaan ka dito Joanne. Nag-cancel ka kasi. Dapat talaga pag maramihan so na-trip. Kaso nag-cancel daw yung iba, so dalawa lang kami.
Malaki ng bahay.
Oh, Sharjah. And now we are in Sharjah. After this one, the Hatta Dam, right?
Yeah. After this, we are going to Al-Watan Road.
Al-Watan Road. What's your name, my friend?
My name is Imran.
Imran. Meet our tour guide, Mr. Imran. Pakistan. Ayaw wala ka pa rin Pakistan, may Pakistan. Ate, They're asking me to come back, to come back, to come back. I told them, no, I have work. I only go there because vacation. So guys, if you come here and you want to explore Dubai, they have a lot of tours like Abu Dhabi City Tour, Dubai Tour, Hatta Tour, Kurfakan. Then they have this, what is the, you have also Sharjah Tour, right? Al-Kaiba? Kalba, Kurfakan, terus Al-Kaiba, Hatta, Abu Dhabi, Tal'in, Musandam. And then you are going to make a store in Fujairah, right? Fujairah, Al-Quain, Ras Al-Khaimah. So, watch out guys. Don't forget to always support our YouTube channel at saka makikita nyo lahat ng mga pinasyalan natin. All over you ikutin natin just for you. So, watch out! All until there, Maliha Road. Maliha Road. Ang wheat farm guys. Ayan, wheat farm yan. Lahat yan, wheat farm. Here already harvested, right? Yeah. These are already harvested. So, all the wheat is comes from here, from this place. It's farm. I thought wheat farm. For making cereals, like for breakfast. This is the expansion. Passport, part of UAE also. Part of Sharjah or Dubai. This is part of Dubai. Passport. Wow, that's the village, oh. What the welcome to Hatta. Pal yung trip. Mapal. Bakit special yung trip? Ay natulog. Welcome to Hatta. Hatta soup. There's grocery. That's like mini mall. Welcome to Hatta. Welcome to Hatta, everyone. Hatta. Wow, fast food. The restaurant. There's restaurant, cafeteria. Wow.
Yeah, alright. It's kind of funny how life can change. Cause you want to eat in a matter of days. Sometimes I pretend it's not your space. One day you wake up, come down the trace.
This is the, what is this? Passport, no? Passport Museum. This is the first location, my friend. Hey guys! Welcome to Massport. Ito pala yung area. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Wow, overlooking, oh. Nice. Nice picture. This is the first part of our Hatta tour. Okay, we are currently in Masfut, and this is the village in Masfut. The spelling guys is Masfut daw pagkakasabi. Ganda, ganda rin ng village nila. First time! This is our first time. Dalawa lang kami. Parang special to yung nangyari. Pasok tayo para naman na. Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa museum ng Masfut. Masfut Museum. Tignan natin what's inside. Okay? Anong history ng Masfut? Paano tayo ma-share? O dito tayo magkakaroon ng history niyan. O diba guys, parang Paris ng Dubai. High-tech pa rin ba yan? Nagkapit. Ha?
You want to?
They will not gonna ask for that inside? Oh, it's okay. Shukran! Oh guys, this is the Masfut Museum. O pwede daw pumasok pero no touch. Ito yung ancient beginnings ng Masfut. Okay. Yan yung spelling. History of Masfut. Yan yung spelling pala ng Masfut. Wow! Hmm. 19th century structure was made from clay and plaster with a canopy of deep palm leaves woven together to form the roof. Ito yung pinakaluma nila. Wow! Diba? Kahit ganito lang yung Masfut, pero bongga, Ay, magpa-picture. Ikot ko kayo dito, Tingnan. Ito yung history ng Masfut, no? On September 6, Sheikh Hamad Port bin Rashid III Al-Nahyan becomes ruler of the Emirate of Azman and a member of the Supreme Council of the Union. So, this is Sheikh Hamad Rashid III. Tingnan nyo guys, Wow! Yung pag-akyat nila ng ano yun? Palm tree ba yan, Day? Palm tree? Ito itsura dati na. Ito itsura dati. Tingnan nyo. 500. From 500 BCE, then 500 CE, 622, 1803, 1905, 1928, 1947, 1940, 52, ito yung 1971, tapos ito yung 1981. Hanggang ngayon. Yung Masfut po pala, flanked by Hajar Mountains, the tiny village of Masfut is known for its fertile agricultural land and high-quality marble. Masfut has also long been home to members of the Al-Bidwat tribe. The strategic location of the village brought the Naim into frequent conflict with neighboring tribes. In 1947, Sheikh Rashid bin Hamad Al Nuaimi made the exclave of Masfut a part of the Emirate of Azman. Some of the earliest evidence of the human habitation in Azman can be found in Neolithic settlements in the Al-Zora area. Look ng bahay nila dati. Ito yung makikita mo sa Basman. The Iron Age. Maganda na rin pala dati, no? May mga ganyan-ganyan na sila, Humble beginnings. Ano yan? Of the Hazar. The Hazar Mountains are rich in rock art called petroglyphs. The stone carvings show people and animals hunting, scenes, battles, and geometric design. Bakit yun? Engineer and Azman in particular have a lot of archaeological sites and specialists must detect their locations and areas to be witness to our civilization. Meanings of Masport. Welcome to... ito yung iniigiban nila, no? Wow, ang ganda. May baril din sila dati. Bali. A troubled past. Local tribes pala dito dati were in constant conflict with Omani tribes in the region. They wanted control of the main road leading to Oman and started to harass caravans using the pass to the Omani-Batina coast. The fort they built, Awadi Hatta, brought them into conflict with the people of Masput. The Masput Tower, located on the Gragi Mountain above the village, was built to protect the local tribe against bandits. Peace was finally made in 1905 by Sheikh Zayed bin Khalifa Al Nahyan. Masput becomes an enclave of Azman. So, itong Masput pala is part ng Azman. Ganda guys, so century flask used for storing gunpowder. Nice. Ito yung same tribe, Masput was the traditional home of the Buddha tribe in the local. Now, notes in his personal diary. Personal diary ni Sheikh Rashid. Ang galing din ng pagkakasulat. Ganda. Son of Sheikh Rajiz bin Hamid Adnan. Sultan bin Rashid. Ito yung gwapo. Nice. Na-reserve talaga nila to. Diba? Actually, pag pumunta kayo sa isang lugar, mas maganda pumunta ka ng mga museum nila kasi nandun yung history ng isang lugar. So, hindi mo na kailangan manghula ko. Di ba nagtanong tayo ng history ng lugar na to, Day? O nandito lang ang history. So, kailangan nyo, pag first time kayo pumunta ng isang lugar, pumunta kayo ng museum nila kasi meron naman sila mga museum para makita niyo ang history ng lugar. Ganda. Ano to? Parang pantali nila dati. Ha? Ito yung mga damit ng girls, no? Women's activities. Ito mga. Wow, pati yung tsinelas. Ganyan tsinelas nila dati, oh. Ito naman yung damit. Ito yung mga damit ng farm worker, no? Farmers. Ito yung niloloto nilang food. Tapos yung mga activities nila before. Ito yung dentist nila. Ganito dahil ito yung traditional na panggagamot noon dito sa Masput. So, traditional na panggagamot. Clinic in Masput, situated as the Special State Development Office for Assistance Civil Clinic in Masput. Ito yung first clinic ng Masput. Old school in Masput. Yun yung old school ng Masput. Discover the Hajor Mountain. A love story. Western side of Masput is the White Mountain. On this mountain is an old well of a type called Yazra, with a leather bucket which is lowered and raised to the surface by winch pulled by a cow. Ikaw. Okay. Traditional education in Masput. Ang cute. Parang ang ganda pakinggan ng pero pag dati siguro pag yung mga ganitong history or nung nandun ka sa time na mga ganito pero parang nakakatuwa siya. Wadis, local farmers irrigate Masput. Wow. Yan yung mga desert hair. May fox, Blandford's fox. Blandford fox. May fox din. Yan yung mga animals dito sa Masput. Conservation of the ecosystem. Ito yung hyena. The straight hyena. Wow. Ang cute tignan pero nakakatakot, diba? Oh, may Arabian leopard din dito. Silent climber approaches prey by stalking in a crouched position. Arabian leopard can be found in rugged mountains where there is permanent water source nearby. Ay, nakakatakot. May leopard. Ha? Bathroom, this one? Bathroom daw yan. CR. Guys, sa passport, kahit na ganito, di ba? Ang bongga ng mga CR nila, oh. Ang social na CR nila, dahil, no? This is the economy of Mascot, so they have products. Ay, may ano din sila, yung sa atin yung carrot crow, yung pang-scare ng ng mga uwak, ay, scarecrow. Ayan yung mga products ng Mascot. Meron silang tobacco, mga honey, beekeeping. May mga business sila dito. Ito dates. Ito naman yung dates. Dates cultivation. Meron sila. At saka ito, yung mga handmade products. Handmade products. By-products of the palm tree. Made of the palm tree yan. At saka ito. Meron silang farming tools, agricultural tools. Oh, ang cute, oh. Ano yung lagay ng tubig? Lagayan ba ng tubig yan, Dal? Ay, tingnan mo, ang cute ng pagkakatahi, oh. No touch daw kasi. Kaya hindi pwede i-touch. Tapos, ito yung balon nila. Makakuha ba ng tubig yan? Ano to? Mga balat to ng
hayop.
hayop? Galing. Ito yung mga dates, no? Puro ng dates. Yung inaakit na nila. Ang cute to.
Palm tree.
By products of the palm tree. Gawa ng palm tree yan, lahat yan. Sa palm tree yung galing nila. Ang balon nila, oh. Sa atin kasi may plastic. Sa atin nga ba dati, anong tawag sa atin dati ng mga tubig dati? Balon din, no? Balon din, kaso yung sa kanila, mga ganitong klase. Yung sa atin kasi, parang may tabo din, dahil, no? Ganun. Tsaka naranasan ko yung dibumba noon. Ganun. Kasi dito ang tubig ata sa ilalim. Ala. Port of Mascot. Welcome to the defense port. Dahil sa atin yung tawag sa mga ganyan, di ba may mga torre tayo, pagoda. Round tower. Ito yung round tower nila. Ang ganda. Alsman Fort. Alsman Fort. Ito naman, Alsman Square Tower. Wow, ang ganda. Molasses, gun slots, guards. Yan, guards. Ay, maganda. Watchtowers. Oh, okay. Defensive architecture of the UAE. The port. Nice. Saka, ano tawag dito? Tunnels. May naman ba? Natakot ako na silipin ko may lang. Ay, yan yung mga bala nila. Sumasabog yung ganyan tayo. Alam mo na dahil picture na naman. But I like to live here. Super peaceful. What's that, my friend? What's that?
Upper side, that palace.
That palace? Okay. Palace. Palace of Mr. Rashid.
Bidaw na exam, dito pa sa Ambikon State, kasi
No one can come there?
Abu Dhabi State,
Abu Dhabi. Sheikh Palace. Thank you. Thank you for the information. Nakikurious lang ako, Day. Ano kayang meron doon? Tapos, ano din yung meron dyan? Sinong mga nakatira? No?
Diba taga Abu Dhabi?
Kasi yung sabi naman nila, ano daw yan doon? Sheikh Palace. So, tayo may pagka-palace din, baka Sheikh Palace din. Tapos, yun tower. For sure tower yun. Kasi nandun yun sa history nila. Sa museum. Wow, mga friends, ang ganda talaga dito. I swear, no? Parang ang peaceful ng lugar, no? Parang feeling ko walang toxic dito na tao.
Iwan na kita dito, friend.
Okay lang ba sa'yo? Iwan mo ko dito?
Anong ilang taon ka pa dito na kami?
Oo, kaya nga. Pero kasi kailan magpadala sa Pilipinas. Pero kung maraming pera dito, mag-stay talaga ako dito, Day. Yung feeling ko kasi, pag may 2.5 ka dito, Day, buhay ka na. Day, feeling ko kung may 2.5 ka na salary dito, pwede na. 500 sa bahay.
May dito.
Ano yan? Anong klaseng bulaklak yan?
Tingnan mo yung face nila.
Day, nakakaano din yan. Ayan, nagpo-pollination siya. Ang cute ng bulaklak nila dito. Yan yung mga dates. Dates ba yan? May nagagawa ng bahay. Ay, stadium. Dahil may basketball court sila dito, in fairness. May basketball court sila. Kaso walang naglalaro. Uy, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng... Alam mo, Day, ang ganda ng araw ng pag-trip natin dito, no? Yung mainit. Oo, hindi mainit. Tapos kalmante, tingnan mo. Oh, Diyos ko. Ang sarap-sarap sa Taiwan. Ang sarap-sarap sa Taiwan. Destination is Hatta. What's your name again? Next destination, there's laundry. There's laundry shop, ha? Wow. Refried jet. Aircon.
May salon.
Meron?
Oo.
Oh, there's salon also here.
Marami. Tapos kayo dito na.
Over dati. Wow, nice. Ang cute. Ang cute na pala din dito. Tapos may tree shop din. Hindi namin na palawanag sa inyo, Day, pero maganda talaga yung pakiramdam namin dito. No, girl, no? Parang alam mo yung nasa probinsya ka, pero yung probinsya na parang nasa city yung vibes. Ganun yung feeling ng city, ng province sila dito. Oh, there are a lot of stores. Ang boba. Ay, market for vegetable. Ay, all things here are cheap or no? In your opinion, cheaper than Dubai? Cheap. Dubai. Yung market nila na ito, diba? Mura na tayo vegetables na din. Sabihan natin mamaya na magsaan tayo doon. Well, okay, there is we talk later, just a moment, in the market. Wow, oh my school, ka-eskwelahan sila, kompleto sila dito. Oh, ikaw magaganda yung mga bahay dahil. Wow, nice place. Mineral water. Fresh shuttle to Hata Dam. Yan, Hata Dam. We're going to Hata Dam now. Sa mga magpupunta dito, hindi kayo magsisisi, mag-enjoy kayo. Hindi ko alam kung magagandaan kayo sa mga makikita nyo sa video, pero yung feeling na nandito kayo is really good. I like my face. But I know, meron kang feeling na happiness when you're here. Happy lang. It feels lang na happy. Let's be Rashid. Wow! Nice, no? yung dam nila may picture. The father and son. Picture. Oh, my God.
I'm going there. You done? My car here, okay?
Okay.
Sorry.
Wow. Welcome to Hata Dam. Gay, may mga kainan din dito. Oh, gay, may mga Pilipino rin nagtatrabaho doon. Oh, ang gaganda. Ang ganda dito. Gay, ikot tayo doon. Wow. Look, oh. Ayun yun yung sabi ko sa inyo na ano. May picture. Pwede ba umikot doon? Sige, ikot tayo mamaya. Magpunta muna tayo dito. Let's see. First time ko maka-experience ng... Wow, ang ganda. Wow. Ayan, dyan siguro nagkakayak. Dyan siguro nagkakayak. Ayan yung mga kayak boat. Pero parang ang pangit naman magkayak ngayon, guys, no? Tapos ikaw ikot tayo dun, tara. Parang, ayan yung kayak. Ang dami. The feeling really is very good. Ito pala yung mga activities na pwede nyong gawin when you come here in Hata. This one. Geogravity, Innovative Adventures. That's it. Merong gel ball na atas. May football serving. Ah, nice. At saka water sliding serving. So, ayan yung mga activities na pwede nyong gawin dito. Ano to? Ayan. Ayan. Hata Palads. Ayan. Tindahan dito mga friends pag pumunta kayo dito. Yung mga tindahan nila dito, kahit tourist spots, walang higher price. Same pa rin yung price. Yung karak doon sa Abu Dhabi, 150 to 2 dirhams. Here, 1 dirhams only. See? Wala silang overpriced just because it's a tourist spot. See? Actually, mas cheaper pa nga yung tubig. Magkano sa atin yung tubig?
Pag sa tindahan na
Minsan, may 150, di ba? Dito dahil 1 dirhams lang. So, wala silang overpriced. Parang maganda yung mga tourist spots nila dito. You know, sa Pakistan, double price din. No? Kahit yung mga museum nila doon, sa mga local, parang mga 60 rupees lang. Sa mga foreigner, mga 1,000, 1,500 rupees. Ganun yung bayar. Ang laki ng difference, di ba?